I'm here to show you how you can make these gorgeous apple tart roses. Cut the core out of your apples and then slice them very thin. Then add to a bowl of water with 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Microwave in 1-minute increments until the apples are soft. To make the crust, add 1½ cups oat flour, ½ cup almond flour, 1/4 cup coconut sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix with a blender or food processor until well combined. Press into the bottom of your muffin tin. To make your almond butter caramel, add 1/4 cup almond butter, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well and spoon 1 teaspoon into each crust. Overlap your apple slices and roll into a rose. Gently push into the caramel sauce in each muffin cup. Brush on maple syrup and sprinkle with cinnamon. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Allow to cool and enjoy. That is delicious. The full recipe and video is available on my website, gentletummy.com.